Today, we're diving into the Gywowken 2-in-1 folding treadmill, a game-changer for home and office workouts. The foldable handrails provide a seamless transition between an under-desk walking pad and a jogging running machine. With speeds ranging from 0.6 to 6.2 miles per hour, it's suitable for a variety of fitness levels. Powered by a 2.5 HP motor, this treadmill ensures stability with minimal noise, making it ideal for distraction-free workouts. The high-intensity steel frame supports up to 265 pounds, and the 5-layer non-slip texture running belt, combined with silica gel column support, delivers a safe and cushioned running experience, reducing impact on muscles and joints. The LED display keeps you informed in real time about your time, speed, distance, and calories burned. The remote control adds convenience, allowing you to adjust speed or stop the treadmill on the go. Safety is a priority, and the instant stopping feature with the safety key ensures peace of mind during your workouts. What's impressive is the non-assembly design. It's ready for immediate use, measuring 47 by 20 by 5 inches and weighing 51.8 pounds. The pink color adds a stylish touch, and the foldable handrail design, along with transportation wheels, makes it easy to store and move around. In conclusion, the Gywowken 2-in-1 folding treadmill is a fantastic addition to your home or office, offering versatility, durability, and convenience in a compact package. Whether you're into walking or intense running, this treadmill has you covered. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.